Hello everyone, my name is Teacher Ty. I am going live on the VidQ channel here. We are going to do a how-to video on how to change your air filter on the Honda CRV. Today this is going to be the 2016 model, and I went ahead and got the air filter from Amazon and EcoGuard. It's a filter's a filter. You buy the same one over at Honda for like $40. It's gonna last you and do the same dang thing as a filter from Amazon for about $9. And do it yourself, because Honda is the easiest car to service ever. That's why I prefer the Honda than Mercedes or BMW, which I've owned before, and they suck because you can't do anything yourself on it. So this is for the gas, and this lever here is for the hood. So we're gonna pull that forward, and we're going to open the hood. And how you would open the hood, there is halfway point here. You're going to, on this model, push down or push up, push up to release it, and lift up. And you'll take this handle and put it here to hold up your hood for safety. And there's even an arrow to tell you where to place it. So let's see if we can place the air filter, which is here. So regardless if you have a Honda CRV SE, LX, base, or whatever premium model, it's basically all going to be the same. So you're going to have your air filter, engine air filter box here. What you're going to do is there's 3 clips, 1, 2, and 3. You're going to unhook this and this clip and this clip and lift up. So as you can see, the air filter is here, and so you're gonna there's not much wiggle room, so you're gonna have to try and get this at an angle. Let me put this down here so you can see what I'm doing while this camera's rolling. Okay, can it tilt? Let's place it a little lower. There we go. How about here? There you go. Let me adjust the height on this. So now I've got 2 free hands. What you're going to want to do is carefully lift this open, and air filter just pops right out. And you're going to have to just wiggle gently and pull out. So the last service center we went to was about last week, and they said that this air filter was in the red and that we needed to immediately change it because it was so detrimental. And I'm like, wait a minute, are you just saying that because my mom's a senior citizen and you're trying to take advantage of her? Yes, corporate, probably, most likely. So this is the old one, and I'll set that here, and I'm gonna go and grab the new one, which is right here. So side by side, this has been about 2016 till now, so 3 years. So 3 years of not having to change it. I think we're doing pretty good. So as you can tell, the Honda genuine version compared to the generic version, it's not rocket science, guys. You're paying for the name. As far as the quality, filter's a filter. Feels the same, smells the same, it's the same. So let's go ahead and put this down here, and let's focus back on installing this fresh one back in. So we took the old one out, so that goes aside, and we're going to put this one back in. So keep in mind that you're going to put it in the same way you took one out. So I'm going to carefully lift this one up and place this in very carefully. Make sure these clips don't snag on your filter. Place it in and it pops in just like that. So it's very easy, very smooth, and what you're going to want to do is make sure the bottom part here is nice and secure, everything's flush, and then once it's flush in there, you're going to clip them back in. So 1, 2, and 3. And there you go. You just saved yourself $50 for the install. I'm so glad Honda's made these so easy to service. So this goes back in the box, and now we're going to change out the cabin air filter. So a cabin air filter is a little bit different, and I'll add that into the next video. And that's it for this episode of how to change your air filter on your car. All right, see you next time.